Man, I spent such a long time. I wanted to find cards that kind of match with what I'm wearing, and it took me such a long time to find these cards. I gotta start storing them in the proper place or something. Or I just need a place to store cards. That'll be good. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you an insane card trick where you can literally leave the room, like literally straight up, you can leave the room, have the spectator mess around with the cards, come back, and still blow the spectator's mind and know exactly what they did. So, that being said, let's do it. Alright guys, now check this out. I'm going to start off by removing this packet of cards here, and we don't really need this card, so we'll leave it there. Okay, now, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to give the deck a shuffle, as you can see from what I actually just did. Alright, so after this shuffle, I want to take the top, let's say, 11 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we got 11 cards here. We don't really need the rest of the deck. Now, when I spread out these cards like this, and in a second, I'm going to leave the room. And after I leave the room, I want the spectator, which is you, I want the spectator to move as many cards as they want from this side to this side. So for example, if you want to move over 6 cards, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then I want you to square all of them up and leave them in a pile here. Okay, hopefully no questions, great. So let's spread these cards out. I'm gonna leave the room, then you can do your thing. All right, I have left, and now I'm a spectator. Okay, so I'm going to move over this many cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he said to square them up and leave them here. Okay, I'm ready, CardMechanic. Okay, CardMechanic's back. Here we go. Spread all these cards out again. And now I'm going to flip over one of these cards, and the value of that card will tell me how many cards that you shifted over. Okay, you ready for this? Let's just say this card right here, that's how many cards you shifted. Pretty impressive, I know. But of course, that could have just been a random guess, 1 out of 11. Now, if I could do this 2 times, the chances of that happening are 100, well, chances of that happening are 1 out of 121. So let's try that again. Leave that here. Okay. Now you can go ahead, do it again. Let me leave, spectator comes back, and I'm not gonna do dumb voice because I felt dumb doing it, so we're just gonna go here. Okay, let's say the spectator moves this many cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so spread them all out. Now me as a performer, I come back. Again, no idea the number of cards the spectator moved, but I have a feeling that they moved this many cards right here. 8 cards. Now see, the chances of that happening are 1 out of 121. Now let's actually raise the stakes just a little bit more, okay? Just a little bit more. We're gonna raise the stakes here. And I'm gonna take this piece of paper and I'm going to write down my prediction of where the location of the next value card will be, okay? So for example, this was in the 10th position, so I'm gonna write down the position of the card, of the number of cards you picked, okay? Hopefully that made sense. It didn't really make sense to me, but hopefully it made sense to you. Okay, here we go. Just wanted to make sure you couldn't hear my pencil. Okay, here we go. And I'll leave it crumpled up right in front of you. So again, me being this, the performer this time, I'm gonna leave. Spectator moves. Okay, so here we go. We'll move this many cards this time. All right. All right, performer, I am ready. Performer comes in, spreads the cards out. There's a prediction that was made here. And that prediction was, yeah, that should be good enough to see. That prediction was the number, oh man, this lighting is killing it. Can you see that? There we go. The prediction was the number 7. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 7th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we take a look at the 7th card, that'll tell me how many cards you moved. And the number of cards you moved was 3. I gotta say it's weird to do these tricks without an actual spectator, but the impact of this trick is actually insane when you go out and perform it. So I hope you guys liked it. The tutorial will be available within 24 hours after the release of this video, so I'll see you guys there. But in the meantime, you can go check out that video, right? That video right there, because it's a great video. So I'll see you there. Peace out.